In a surprising turn of events, a criminal case has been filed against prominent Telugu film personalities, including Venkatesh Daggubati, Rana Daggubati, and their family members, over the demolition of Deccan Kitchen Hotel in Film Nagar, Hyderabad. The Film Nagar police have registered the case, with Venkatesh Daggubati listed as accused 1, Rana Daggubati as a 2, Abhiram Daggubati as a 3, and Suresh Babu Daggubati as a 4. The charges include criminal trespassing and conspiracy under the Indian Penal Code. The case centers around a property dispute between the Daggubati family and businessman Nanda Kumar. The Daggubatis had leased the land to Nanda Kumar, who operated the Deccan Kitchen Hotel there. However, a legal dispute over the lease escalated, leading to accusations from Nanda Kumar. Nanda Kumar alleges that the Daggubati family unlawfully demolished two properties in Jubilee Hills, violating court orders from the City Civil Court and Telangana High Court. He claims the family used anti-social elements to forcibly enter the premises, causing over 20 crore rupees in damages. The Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation had ordered the demolition, but it was halted due to ongoing legal disputes. Despite court injunctions, Nanda Kumar accused the family of resuming demolition attempts, including an incident in November 2022. In response to Nanda Kumar's complaint, the court has directed the police to conduct a thorough investigation. The case has attracted widespread attention, given the involvement of high-profile film industry figures and the massive property damage claims. As the investigation continues, more details are expected to emerge. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing story.